I'm going to jump into the campaign builder for the open house. There's two ways to show open house content, if you will. One is on the front side of your website, and then through the campaign system. So I've actually written a blog that I did a blog post that says homes with an open house in Tempe. And I published that as a blog post. So if any time I want to just send somebody a quick email, I can come into my website, to my blog. I could actually grab this link and send it to somebody and say, hey, here's all the scheduled open houses in Tempe that are in the, that are available to you. And they have to probably, or they'd have to go through and click these and see when or where they are. When they are. So for example, if I click that one, November 15th at 9 a.m. So that one's either still going on or it's, over at this point. So we don't display listings going backwards. I think they do that in the MLS. We don't do backwards display. So, at least that's some feedback I had gotten, this one, November 19th at 11 a.m. So, somebody can come in here and check out when open houses are. If I go to the details page then, and I scroll down, there's more specifically, there's actually 2 open houses scheduled, and those are displayed so that they can figure out when they want to go. So how I created this search is inside. I just went in and created a blog. You could also do it with a page, which I'm going to create through a page today so that you can see how to make it like a permanent, pretty easy to access, because the blog can get buried. So if I add new page, and I'm going to call this Chandler AZ homes with open houses. I'll just call it that. And I'll just say below is a list of homes with open houses scheduled in Chandler. Something like that. So then you click into this I found search creator. And from here, I have mine set up so that I can quickly do something with an open house. So has an open house, yes. And then I just type into here, Chandler. And then I click in Chandler, hit save. That's where my search is going to show up. I publish this. And here's what that page looks like. So there's all the homes, and there's 25 properties that currently have open houses scheduled in Chandler. So again, this could be a resource that I send to somebody, but I'm going to put this on my menu so that I can quickly tell somebody, a buyer, hey, go underneath my buyers tab on my menu and look at the open houses in Chandler. So let's go do that. And again, so this is actually a little bit of a crash course on how to do searches with pages and posts versus in a campaign. I'll get to the campaign shortly. So to add a page to your menu, you come into appearance menus, and you have to make sure you're working in the proper menu. So there's typically, our websites have at least 2 menus, one called communities, one called main menu. You want to get to the main menu one. Need to select that. And then if you notice here, add menu items, the top, usually the defaulted list and the defaulted, what's defaulted open is your pages that you just added. So most recent pages, so I would just click that, add to menu. It shows up down here. Slide it up underneath. So grab and drag it. So here I'm just gonna Chandler AZ Homes with Open Houses. And I'm gonna get rid of, and I'm just gonna make it Chandler Open Houses. And then I save it. Go look at it. So under buyers, sure enough, there it is, Chandler Open Houses. And boom, there they are.